This is literally like 10 seconds after the other video. That's like 35 seconds, 40.
I'm a cheerleader.
No, you are not.
I'm a cheerleader.
You're not a cheerleader, and you're a yunk, not an unk. You're a yunk.
Bentley.
Holy monster truck.
Luca, Bentley.
And the snow's giving me We're chilling with the vids here, man.
Oh, the GDS is going.
Bentley, wasn't he the one that we saw on the flat tile?
GDS is leaving. Oh, GDS is leaving.
No!
No, he's leaving. What? Awesome.
Rocks. Such beautiful things.
Nice. Bye-bye now. That's just so much. There's totally not like 4 pictures. Oh, there's Steve. It's Stevie.
Steve Harrington from Stranger Things.
It's Stevie. Stevie.
Are you talking about Steve Harrington from Stranger Things?
It's Stevie. It's Stevie.
Who the f is Stevie?
It's Stevie. But the GDS should have got up and wait, there's another GDS.
Oh!
Skyline. It's a skyline. It needs Bentley. Do you know yellow? The yellow.
Where to go?
Yeah, Bentley. Do you know the yellow?
Oh, look at the skyline there.
You already brought it up.
Japan.
You already brought it up.
Yeah, it's old now.
Pennywise! Bing, bang, boom. The fire music. Old car. Old looking car. Just a video on the place. What was that?
What was what?
That freaking
What?
sound.
No, I don't know.
What
Put
one?
the song back on.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi.
Oh, Aussie, Aussie. I have a shirt that says Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
What in the group?
Wait, Stevie. Stevie. Wait. I want to see Stevie. Stevie. He doesn't know. He's never met him. Stevie. That's who Stevie.
Yes, Steve the Hair Harrington from Stranger Things. Let's go. I've literally got him as my lock screen. Steve the Hair Harrington. Still trying to get into fights, Ben.
Yeah, stop getting in fights with a 10-year-old. Little 10-year-old. I don't know when they come. He's just on you. But I need. Let's go, Steve. No, you're my best teammate. You're my best teammate.
Oh, yeah. No, bro comes out of nowhere and just pulls out the camera.
I've had the camera on for freaking 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Wait, Bentley! What?
I love flowers. Huh?
What'd you say?
Mm-mm-mm.
That's what they
What are those?
You did not yell that.
Which one's broken toe?
Mm-mm-mm.
I'm thinking it. You're dreaming. Wait, who's your hero? Wait, Chris, I don't know. Let me toy hero.
Bentley.
Wait, can someone? Oh, hold that.
My name is not Clayton, it is Axel.
Ben, can you hold it for real quick?
We're chillin', man. We're chillin'.
Fuck. Why don't you drop your
Chillin'.
Why don't you drop yourself off? I'm gonna just go walk around now.
What the hell is that?
Bentley, don't I won.
Bentley, look at me.
Next second he loses it.
Now the viewers are gonna see it.
Wait, where's my dad's car? He's all the way over fucking there. There's a fucking spot here.
No, as long as I'm alive, Ben, you'll never be a girl.
What? Got the truth on me now.
Oh my God! Look, it's Bunnings. It's Bunnings. Such a good song.
Axel.
What?
Wait, I wish my friend was here.
We're just chilling, my man.
No, bro, if you don't get this on your video, I'm gonna be pissed. Fuck, Bentley.
Oh, what, this dude?
Bentley. That's my dad's car. Bentley. I went into the
Give
stay
it.
on there.
It's just so tough. All the cars here are so tough.
They give away free stuff there.
Oh my God, no,
Chase,
really?
go now.
Oh, he's right here.
Chase.
He's right here. You dislocated Ultra Phantom Taxed freaking
Well, my dad's like,
dislocated toe monkey.
wait, there's a dirt bike coming in. Let's go off and see because dude.
Performance.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Beautiful girl. What's your name? Bethany? Yeah, Bethany. Bethany, okay, I've got you, boy. Alright,
Fun Young Corny Gang. Bethany. Bethany.
baddies.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Everything.
You freaking do the peace sign in front of your ass, go like baddies.
There was a dirt bike coming in. Reckon we'll go and see if it doesn't trip. I didn't know it collapsed.
Pennywise.
What does it say? I have a very punchable face. Wait, I have a very punchable face right now. That's true.
But you have very, very...
We're receiving our airline. Someone just walked up to you. I want to ask you, do I have a very punchable face?
Yup.
Yes.
Let's show the viewers. Let's ask them.
Do I have a very punchable Darcy? Do I have a very punchable face? Wait,
His new name is Bethany.
everyone's like, Daddy, hi Bethany. What the fuck?
Sorry,
I'm a-
frig.
I was like,
Solutions were around 10 year
I was like, I'm a girl. Fuck. I said, I'm a baddie.
Bro, you ain't trans, so shut your mouth.
I said, baddie. It's the motorbike.
Bro, why is there more crowd control? We don't need it.
Wait. It's
This is harassment. Spotlight.
I'm a girl.
What's up, Bethany?
I'm a girl. It's Bethany. I'm a girl.
Nuh-uh.
Bethany.
Letty? Okay, see you in the next.